Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft watering can in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is actually craft a workbench. So you press tab on your keyboard to open up Pocket Crafting. Then from here click on workbench, make sure you have 4 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone, click here on craft. Once you have your workbench, come here and press F, and then what I want you to do is click on this section right here. This is the crafting section. I need you to go ahead and build a furnace. You need 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 6 pieces of any stone. Go ahead and craft this, and I need you to craft a farmer's workbench as well. All you need to do is have 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 20 pieces of plant fiber. Craft this, and then once you have your furnace and farmer's workbench, you first go to your furnace, press F. I want you to add a fuel source. You can use charcoal or you can use sticks. Just turn it on. Make sure you have iron ore as the input, and then that will output iron ingot. So you just go ahead, turn it on as such, and it will go ahead and process that. And then all you do is you come here to your farmer's workbench, press F, and then here you'll see empty watering can in the first section. This is the farming section. So you just click here. You need 3 iron ingots to make 1 watering can. So you just come here and you just go ahead and click on craft. As you can see, we have our watering can, and you can go here to a source of water and you can easily fill it up. You just go ahead and right click on that source of water. As you can see, we are now watering this can, and it's really that easy. And that is how to craft watering can in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.